Hello everyone, I just wanted to put together this video, a bit of a long-term review of the 3700 ER generator. Look, it hasn't been getting used, sort of wasn't the point. I just want to have it as a bit of a backup, so do keep that in mind. I'm just going to try and put some fuel back in it. And I guess the point is whether it'll start for me or not. It's probably been a year or so since I've tried to turn it over. I did have the battery charged up and unplugged when I put the cover on it and stuck it under the bench. But that is it's gone flat over that period of time, which I guess is not to be unexpected. So I'll just be trying to start it off the ripcord. We'll see how we go with one hand here putting some fuel in it, so bear with me. I just want to put a little bit in because I don't want to have to run it for too long again to empty it back out. We'll see if that'll get us out of strife. So we'll just put that over there and put the cap back on it. Rightio. So you'll see that turn the starter on, and you can sort of hear it ticking. You can hear it ticking there, but it's just not got enough grunt to turn it over. There's the battery. I've had that plugged there, unplugged, but it's just self-discharged over a period of time. So we'll just check that. I think we've got all the buttons there on. See how many times it takes us to rip it to get it to start. Do we have a fuel primer somewhere, Aaron? I don't remember. Well, there it is. Probably want to turn that, will make a big difference. Give it a bit of a pump. See how many times it takes to pull it to get it together. Quite a few, evidently. Give it a bit more of a pump. Just can't actually feel any fuel in there at all yet. So we'll, I know the trusty old Ryobi here, we'll try and plug that in. You can see I've just plugged that in. See the load. You can probably see the hours, it's got no hours on it. So you can see the screen. So there you go. Seems to still be working for me. Thanks very much. Bye.